All right, 8th grade pre-APers. We're our 8th grade honors class. We're doing volume, prisms, and cylinders. So volume is a number of unit cubes needed to fill a solid. So it's like basically we're taking these little bitty cubes and we're filling the solid and we're going to count how many there are. So like below, you have a rectangular prism. You're trying to figure out how many cubes are in there. Well, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we already counted these two because they're right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Counted those two. 11, 12, 13. And there's probably some on the back too. 14, 15, 16. So there's 16 unit cubes that make up this solid. Now, what we do is we actually have a formula for it. And y'all all know the volume of a rectangular prism. It's length times width times height. So the length of this one is 4 from here to here. The width is 2 from here to here. And the height is 2 from here to here. So that's 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16. It's the same thing. And that's what we're going to be doing. Now prisms, here's a general formula for prisms. BH, area of the base times the height. So on a rectangular prism, we're going to find the area of this and then times the height. This is the height. This is the area. So here's an example. Find the volume of the prism at the right. So find the volume of this prism. Well, it's V equals BH. So we're missing two things, B and H. B is the area of the base, which is going to be 6. Here's the base. So 6 times 2.5. And the height is 3.5. So we're going to multiply this. Six times 2.5 is 15. And so now we're going to put it in our formula. V equals 15 times H, 3.5. And that gives you 52.5. That's it. That's the volume. That's how many little bitty squares fit in that prism. So let's go on. Here's a cylinder. Now a cylinder is different. The volume of a cylinder is B times H. Oh wait, it's the same thing. So all you have to do is find B and H. So B is the area of the base and H is the height. Well, the H is pretty easy. It's 12. Now B is harder because the base is now a circle. So the area of a circle is pi r squared. So the only unknown for pi r squared is r. If the diameter is 15, then r is going to be 7.5. So over here I'm going to put 7.5 squared. Alright. Now what's 7.5 squared? It's 56.25. So V equals B, which is 56.25 pi times 12, the height. Don't worry about the pi yet. Go ahead and multiply the 12 times 56.25. V equals 675 pi. Now, If you read A, it says estimate the volume of the cylinder at the right using 3 for pi. So I'm going to multiply 675 by 3. And you get 2025. And then that's it. We did it. We actually found the volume of the cylinder. It's pretty easy. And that's it. And that's all we'll be doing in class. It's a pretty easy lesson. So I'll see you tomorrow.